Hey everybody, I'm going to teach you how to create some posters that look pretty good without the help of Photoshop or anything of that nature. Um, so if you have a Mac, which is what I'm using, this is primarily for Mac users, you're going to want to get um, Sketchbook Lite, which is it's kind of like a Photoshop artsy type application, and then you're going to want to get Pages, which is similar to Microsoft Word, but the Mac version. I'm going to start by opening up this picture I've got here. So I'm going to take this, open it with Sketchbook Express, and I have a pen tablet here um, that's going to trace it. I'm going to use the lasso tool, which I just selected. I'm going to start down here, kind of just go around the outside. I'm just going to do that. So that gives me a good selection there. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to create a new project. Don't save it. Then paste. I'm going to make it way smaller so it fits in this little page. That's good. And I'm going to crop this so it fits pretty well. Cool. So I'm going to hit the check there. And so I'm going to go with the eraser tool. I'm going to zoom in, get right up to the edge, and I'm going to try and just erase as much of this as I can. It's best to have either a wireless mouse or a pen tablet for this as well. Just a trackpad or something on a laptop's not going to do very well. I tried doing that at first and it didn't work out so well. So you just have to get around most of the body or the object that you're trying to get out of a picture. If this is for a white background, of course. In other objects, you're going to probably want to do the same thing. And then, let's see, you take it into preview or something, and they have a quick selection tool which you can kind of drag around the object, and it'll select the whole thing, and you can then insert it into a background in this same program. So yeah, that's just how you would do something like that. Then if you want to create hand-drawn logos and stuff, you can want to go make a new file. Take either the pen tool or pencil or whatever you want to do. Do like, I don't know, like band playing tonight or something like that. I don't know. And then, like a pencil's going to look a little bit different, not a whole lot, but it's not going to be as sharp. It's going to be a little more transparent. And then they have a brush here, which I normally go over the pen with the brush, make it look a little more hand-drawn. Can give it a cool effect sometimes. So yeah, that's just a little bit of how to create a logo or something like that. And then you're going to go into Pages, and you're going to create a new document. For this one, I'm going to use a blank line. I'm going to use a 16.5 by, or 16 by 10.5 here. My roommate just walked in. Then I'm going to minimize it to fit the entire page. See, and I'm going to go to choose. I'm going to grab that picture that I've already edited, the edited version. There it is. Alright, and then I got to change it to floating so I can move it around wherever I want. And then you can just make it larger by either using these pull tabs here, or you can do a two-finger motion, and that'll make it larger as well. And then I'm going to go to get the title and the subtitle and place those. And this isn't the final placement, but this is just a demonstration here for you. Make it a little bit smaller here. Stick it up in there, and then I'm just going to close this, and I'm going to show you the final product. Which looks a little bit like this. Turns out pretty well. They come out really nice when they're printed, so that's just a little bit of how to do that. If you're using a program like those two, you're going to want to use obviously a wireless mouse or something like that. And I have this pen tablet that I use that's a little more accurate, and it's more like drawing or writing. Makes it really easy to create hand written titles and just logos and stuff like that. So yeah, that's about all I have. If you need any help with anything like this, or have any questions about how to make something look a certain way, send me a message, or subscribe and send me a message. I'd be very willing to help. Thank you so much for watching, and like and rate. Thank you.